1. What is the primary focus of a DevOps leader? A. Writing deployment scripts. B. Implementing Agile frameworks. C. Leading cultural transformation. D. Building CI/CD pipelines. 2. Which concept refers to the breakdown of large silos and rigid roles in DevOps? A. Waterfall. B. Value stream mapping. C. Systems thinking. D. Organizational disintegration. 3. A DevOps leader encourages a shift from traditional command and control to A. Manual testing oversight. B. Prescriptive management. C. Distributed authority and collaboration. D. Weekly performance reviews. 4. What is the 3 ways model in DevOps popularized by Gene Kim? A. Lean, Agile, Scrum. B. Flow, feedback, continuous learning. C. Code, build, deploy. D. Speed, scale, security. 5. The concept of a safe-to-fail environment encourages A. Strict change approvals. B. Blame-free culture and experimentation. C. Waterfall development. D. Isolated deployments. 6. What is value stream mapping used for in DevOps leadership? A. Mapping user stories. B. Automating deployments. C. Identifying inefficiencies and delays. D. Creating database schemas. 7. A key DevOps leadership responsibility is to A. Write automated tests. B. Manage CI/CD tools directly. C. Align DevOps practices with business goals. D. Maintain firewall configurations. 8. Psychological safety in teams leads to A. Reduced collaboration. B. Higher employee turnover. C. Increased innovation and openness. D. Reduced compliance. 9. What metric reflects deployment frequency in a DevOps organization? A. Mean time between failures. B. Change failure rate. C. Deployment throughput. D. Deployment frequency. 10. Westrum's model of organizational culture includes which 3 types? A. Agile, DevOps, Waterfall. B. Startup, Midsize, Enterprise. C. Pathological, Bureaucratic, Generative. D. Functional, Matrix, Product. 11. What is the purpose of shift left in DevOps testing? A. Testing only in production. B. Moving testing earlier in the life cycle. C. Delaying testing. D. Outsourcing QA. 12. A successful DevOps transformation requires A. Only tool changes. B. Management buy-in and cultural change. C. Isolated automation teams. D. Waterfall release cycles. 13. Which type of leadership is most effective in DevOps cultures? A. Authoritarian. B. Transactional. C. Servant leadership. D. Laissez-faire. 14. Which practice involves small, safe, and frequent software deployments? A. Periodic delivery. B. Continuous delivery. C. Manual deployment. D. Static delivery. 15. What is a primary goal of continuous integration CI? A. Deploy monthly. B. Detect integration issues early. C. Replace Git. D. Increase manual effort. 16. What is the benefit of using cross-functional teams in DevOps? A. Easier to manage by silo. B. Reduces communication. C. Enhances collaboration and faster delivery. D. More specialized isolation. 17. Which framework emphasizes feedback loops and system-wide thinking? A. ITIL. B. Lean. C. Prince2. D. PMBOK. 18. Which of the following is a DevOps anti-pattern? A. Encouraging experimentation. B. Blameless retrospectives. C. Siloed dev and ops teams. D. Automation of tests. 19. One role of a DevOps leader is to A. Perform load testing. B. Maintain server infrastructure. C. Act as a change agent. D. Approve all pull requests. 20. Which tool is most commonly used for CI/CD automation? A. Jira. B. Jenkins. C. Confluence. D. Slack. 21. What does the CALMS model in DevOps stand for? A. Code, Agile, Lean, Metrics, Services. B. Culture, Automation, Lean, Measurement, Sharing. C. Cloud, Agile, Logs, Metrics, Security. D. Continuous, Agile, Lifecycle, Metrics, Scalability. 22. A DevOps leader must promote visibility in the organization by A. Limiting dashboard access. B. Encouraging closed communication. C. Sharing metrics and promoting transparency. D. Disabling alerts. 23. DevOps is best described as a combination of IT and finance. B. Development and operations. C. HR and QA. D. Marketing and dev. 24. The primary focus of DevOps metrics is to A. Penalize failures. B. Drive team bonuses. C. Improve flow and customer value. D. Monitor finances. 25. What is a Kanban board used for in DevOps? A. Hosting a website. B. Project budgeting. C. Visualizing work and workflow. D. Measuring code coverage. DevOps Leader. The DevOps Leader test is a professional-level certification exam designed to assess the skills, knowledge, and mindset required to lead a successful DevOps transformation within an organization. It evaluates a candidate's understanding of key leadership principles, organizational change management, cultural shifts, collaboration, and DevOps strategies. This test is ideal for managers, team leads, and change agents who are responsible for guiding teams through continuous delivery practices and fostering a high-performance DevOps culture. Emphasis is placed on value stream thinking, psychological safety, lean leadership, and measurable outcomes. Successfully passing the exam demonstrates an individual's capability to drive innovation, improve team dynamics, and align IT and business goals in a DevOps environment. Here are the top 5 beneficial uses of the sample exam. 1. Enhanced leadership skills. The exam equips candidates with the tools and frameworks to lead DevOps transformations, focusing on cultural change, lean thinking, and value stream optimization. 2. Career advancement. Earning this certification positions professionals for leadership roles in DevOps initiatives, increasing credibility and marketability in competitive IT and enterprise environments. 3. Organizational impact. Certified DevOps leaders help align IT practices with business goals, fostering faster delivery, greater collaboration and measurable business outcomes through strategic implementation of DevOps principles. 4. Improved communication and collaboration. The test emphasizes practices that break down silos, encouraging open dialogue and teamwork between development, operations, and business units. 5. Strategic mindset development. Candidates learn to think beyond tools and automation, adopting a systems thinking approach to continuously improve processes, culture, and outcomes.